In this video, we will explore the MongoDB Shell, also known as mongosh. We'll cover essential commands and navigation techniques to help you effectively interact with your MongoDB databases through the interactive shell. MongoDB Shell, or mongosh, serves as an interactive JavaScript interface to MongoDB. This powerful tool allows you to query, update, and manage your database directly from the command line, giving you fine-grained control over your data. To start the MongoDB Shell, open your terminal or command prompt. For a basic connection to your local MongoDB instance, simply type mongosh and press Enter. To connect to a specific database, use the command mongosh, followed by the connection string. The connection string typically includes the protocol, which is MongoDB, the host, which is localhost, the port number, which is 27017, and the database name, for example, MyDB. Once you're in the MongoDB shell, there are several basic navigation commands to help you get around. To list all available databases, use the command show dbs. To switch to a specific database, use the command use, followed by the database name, for example, mydatabase. To see the collections in your current database, type show collections. And to display the name of your current database, simply type db. Now let's explore the CRUD operations in MongoDB. To insert a single document into a collection, use the insert_one method. For example, db.users.insert_one, followed by a JavaScript object containing the document fields. To insert multiple documents at once, use the insert_many method, passing an array of JavaScript objects representing the documents. For example, db.users.insert_many, followed by an array of user objects. Here, CRUD stands for create, read, update, and delete. Next, let's look at read operations. To find all documents in a collection, use the find method without any arguments, like so, db.users.find. To find documents based on a specific criteria, pass a query filter as a JavaScript object to the find method. For example, to find all users with an age greater than or equal to 30, use db.users.find, and then within curly braces, type age, $GT30. To retrieve a single document that matches the specified criteria, use the find_one method, passing the query filter. For example, to find a user named John, use db.users.find_one, and then within curly braces type name John. Now let's examine update and delete operations. To update a single document, use the update_one method, passing a query filter to identify the document and an update document specifying the changes. For example, db.users.update_one, then within parenthesis, enter curly braces with name John, then outside the curly braces, type comma, and then type $set, age 31. To delete a single document, use the delete_one method, providing a query filter to select the document to be deleted. For example, db.users.delete_one, and then within parenthesis, type curly braces with name John. To delete multiple documents that match a certain criteria, use the delete_many method. For example, db.users.delete_many, then within parenthesis, type curly braces with age, $LT25. Here are some other useful commands you can use in the MongoDB shell. To display a list of all available commands, simply type help and press Enter. To clear the shell screen, type CLS. To exit the MongoDB shell, type exit. To view database statistics, use the command db.stats. And to check the MongoDB version information, use the command db.version. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.